Welcome back to Autocars Studio 512. The 2026 Ram 1500 continues to set the benchmark for luxury, capability, and innovation in the full-size pickup segment. With a refreshed design, advanced technology, and powerful performance options, this truck is built to impress both casual drivers and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're looking for a rugged workhorse or a premium daily driver, the latest Ram 1500 offers something for everyone. One of the most striking aspects of the 2026 Ram 1500 is its exterior styling. Ram has refined its already bold design with a more aerodynamic and aggressive front fascia. The signature grille has been updated with sleeker chrome or blacked-out accents, depending on the trim level. LED headlights and taillights provide a sharp and modern look while enhancing visibility in all driving conditions. The sculpted hood and muscular fenders give the truck a dominant stance, ensuring it remains one of the most stylish pickups on the market. In terms of performance, the 2026 Ram 1500 offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving needs. The legendary 5.7-liter Hemi V8 remains an option, delivering outstanding horsepower and torque for those who crave raw power. Additionally, Ram has introduced an improved twin-turbo inline-six engine, offering a perfect balance of power and efficiency. For those seeking eco-friendly performance, a new plug-in hybrid variant provides impressive fuel economy while maintaining strong towing and hauling capabilities. With advanced suspension tuning and available adaptive air suspension, the Ram 1500 delivers a smooth and comfortable ride, whether on the highway or off-road. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Ram 1500 takes luxury to another level. The interior is crafted with high-quality materials, including genuine leather, real wood accents, and brushed aluminium trim. A massive 14.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominates the center console, featuring the latest Uconnect software with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time vehicle data, while an optional heads-up display projects key information onto the windshield. High-end trims like the Limited and Longhorn offer quilted leather seats, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof, making the cabin feel more like a luxury SUV than a traditional pickup truck. Technology plays a significant role in enhancing the driving experience of the 2026 Ram 1500. The truck comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. The upgraded trailer tow package includes enhanced trailer steering assistance, making it easier than ever to maneuver with a trailer attached. For off-road enthusiasts, the Rebel and TRX trims offer specialized terrain management systems, skid plates, and all-terrain tires to tackle the toughest conditions with confidence. Cargo and utility remain a priority in the new Ram 1500. The multifunction tailgate continues to be a standout feature, allowing for easier loading and unloading. Ram Box Cargo Management System provides secure, weatherproof storage compartments integrated into the bed, perfect for tools, gear, or even refreshments for long road trips. The available power folding running boards make entry and exit effortless, adding to the truck's convenience and accessibility. Fuel efficiency is another area where the 2026 Ram 1500 shines. With the introduction of hybrid and plug-in hybrid options, the truck now offers better mileage without compromising performance. Cylinder deactivation technology on the V8 models helps improve fuel economy by shutting down unnecessary cylinders during light-load driving conditions. This means that whether you're towing a trailer, driving in the city, or cruising on the highway, the Ram 1500 delivers impressive efficiency for a full-size truck. The 2026 Ram 1500 is designed to cater to a wide range of customers. The entry-level models provide great value for those looking for a durable and capable truck, while the higher trims offer unparalleled luxury and advanced technology. Whether you need a truck for work, family adventures, or daily commuting, the Ram 1500 is equipped to handle it all with style, comfort, and power. Overall, the 2026 Ram 1500 is a perfect blend of rugged capability and premium refinement. With its bold design, powerful engine options, high-end interior, and cutting-edge technology, it continues to be a top choice in the full-size truck market. Ram has once again proven that a pickup truck can be both tough and luxurious, making the latest model a must-have for truck enthusiasts. Whether you're drawn to its towing prowess, off-road capability, or luxurious cabin, the 2026 Ram 1500 stands out as one of the best trucks money can buy. Thanks for watching.